I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry the video was cut. I'm sorry. Question 8 and it continues here. I'm sorry for any inconvenience. As I said before, right, I already showed this part. Now we need to do this part. Yeah, comment. So you just okay, with this comment adjust, then we go to the instruction. Where is it? You okay? Okay, right. Then they say use the appropriate function to display the comment excellent for test 1, percentage higher or equal to 80%. Display the comment passed for test 1 higher than 60, and display the comment failed for test 1 if the percentage. Okay, that's moving on. Yes. Then Leona, we are going to use if. You're just gonna type if, then you check. Remember, they are speaking about the percentage test 1, which is 50, and then they equal, greater than, and equals to 80. Remember, 80%, they give us this percentage. Don't ask kurdichwaka, comma, then ditevjana, and then you type excellent. After excellent, ubutsalela ditevjana or comma or if or open bracket. Utavana raudichwana, utavana bracket ya mo if ya ubedi ilento. Yeah. After that, we're F8, which is 50%, greater than or equal 60%, and then comma, and you say ditevjana, yes, then you say passed. Passed, and then by sola laga ditevjana or comma, or will ditevjana again, or failed. So we like to so fetch one up. And or ditevjana, first bracket, second bracket, and then enter. It says failed because it's less than 80, and you drag it. You see, the ones that are above 80 is that one they say excellent. Again, then failed where it was below 60. Then that's the end of our session. Thank you.